What's up, guys? Today we're going to be redoing my setup finally. Not looking forward to it. Alrighty guys, this has been kind of long awaited for me. Been wanting to do this for a while, but just haven't gotten a chance. Just because definitely you got to tear a lot of stuff apart. And then of course your desk setup's going to be down for a little bit. But I'm going to go through and kind of show you what I'm going to do to kind of clean things up. This setup is far from minimal, carrying multiple monitors and many peripherals. As you can see, we have a lot of unattractive exposed wires, the most notable ones being the HDMI and power coming from the two wall-mounted 24-inch panels. First order of business is to remove the wood trim going along the walls of the room. This will give us a nice flat surface to work with and mount our cable management covers. As you can see, we got a lot going on behind this desk. We definitely have our work cut out for us, so let's get started. So we finally got all the wood paneling ripped off. It's supposed to be baseboards, but it goes on the midsection of the wall, but we got it off, thank God. But now we have this ugly green color we got to cover up, and then we're definitely gonna have to do some spackling, so that's what we're on to next. Guys, hopefully you didn't cringe too much watching me paint around the Alienware Ultra Wide and the two wall-mounted Dell monitors. Luckily we didn't get any drops of paint on them. Now that the wall trim is removed and painted, the room looks much cleaner and has a more spacious appearance. Having the board painted behind the wall-mounted panels also makes it look 1,000 times better. While we wait for the paint to dry, I'm going to take this time to cable manage the entertainment center that lives right next to my desk. My entertainment center was definitely in need of some cable routing help. This part of my setup houses a 42-inch LG TV and media devices such as a cable box, Nintendo Switch, and the Xbox One S. I would say the vast majority of time spent using the entertainment center hands down goes to the Nintendo Switch. Now that we have killed some time cleaning up the entertainment center, allowing the paint to dry, we can refocus our attention back towards the desk. Now we can mount the simple cord cable concealer to hide the cables that run vertical on the wall. Once the cable routing conduit is in place, we can start tiling the wall with the 3D art panels. We are going to be mounting the wall panels in a very simple way using some 3M two-sided mounting tape. Since the tape is pretty durable and the panels are very light, we don't need to use too much tape at all. Small pieces in each corner will work perfect, having enough support and easy scuffless removal if needed. Unfortunately, I kind of shagged ass in doing the cable management and the 3D tiles without filming much of the process. The cable concealers did a fantastic job hiding my Ethernet connection and the cables coming from the wall-mounted monitors. At most angles, it actually looks like all three monitors are floating. Mounting the 3D panels and the cable covers was super easy. I did end up cutting the panels where they didn't fit exactly and mounted the small pieces separately, giving it a very unique breakaway effect. Alrighty guys, this is the finished product and I am super happy with the way it turned out. Before, it was still a great space due to the nice gear, but nice gear put together in a very neat fashion with some custom style makes it so much better. This space really goes beyond the work and gaming station it was, with now serving as a much more appealing YouTube set for other videos. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more PC and tech related videos, consider subscribing. As always guys, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.